As I've mentioned before we even journeyed in Ezra and Nehemiah, there would be some strange endings to sit with as we navigate through this scripture. And you might be thinking to yourself, what in the world do these two books that place us in seemingly random positionings of individuals after exile have to do with the main theme of scripture? Well, I'm here to tell you. Both of these books, Ezra and Nehemiah, continue to reveal the same theme we've been speaking on throughout this entire journey: a need for a transformed heart, which is essentially what the coming promised king is ultimately going to do. And what makes this even more interesting is that the same individuals that we see, Nehemiah and even Zerubbabel and Ezra, try to remove or keep away from access to the temple, to a place of worship, is quite different from what the king is ultimately going to come and do, which is make it available to all, allowing others of all nations and all people, exiles, non-exiles, Jews and Gentiles, to experience God and have an opportunity to choose to serve him. So essentially, the very people that were kicked out or kept out by others in these two books, through the promised coming king and a transformed heart that he is going to offer to his people, is what grants the opportunity for such to be available to all because of the standards and rules he sets and comes with, and not the hardened heart that we see Judah move in with, or others like Zerubbabel and Nehemiah. And if you're interested in more short form biblical content like this, please don't forget to like, share this video, give a subscribe to this channel, and check out the playlist section. And there you'll find a range of books that we've covered, journeying from Old to New Testament, giving short form summaries over chapters we've journeyed through. And until next time, be easy, be breezy, my friend. Peace.